Welcome to Young Living and a very special welcome to Simply Serendipity, your Young Living community. My name is Laura Erdman-Luntz and I'm one of the co-founders of the Simply Serendipity team, and I'm really excited to be here to take you through your Thieves starter kit. You got so many goodies in this kit and I want to make sure you get the most out of your investment. So we are going to start with the Thieves cleaner. Oh my word, this is the most important thing I think everyone should start with. This alone is going to get rid of so many toxins in your home. You're going to love it. Now, I've included somewhere here a link to I think it's 21 ways to use your Thieves cleaner. It's going to replace every single cleaner in your home. You're welcome. Now, it is a concentrate, so you're just going to use capfuls of the cleaner. You actually got 2 of these in your kit. Now, what you're going to want to get is a bottle, and I recommend a glass bottle. I think a glass bottle is good, but I will tell you, I have plastic too I've used with the Thieves cleaner. It's pretty well diluted and it itself isn't solid essential oils. So you can get a plastic one. Get several and put them all around your house. As you begin to use up your Thieves bottles, you can also turn them into cleaner bottles themselves. So this is a very special hospital grade plastic that doesn't degrade with the oils. So these, you'll have to figure out, it's not a standard top, I don't think. I would just test some of the sprays. You might even have sprays at home. You could just take it off one of your other ones and just cut the tube if you need to and stick it right on here. It's great. You're going to use it for everything. Have a bottle in all of your bathrooms. We have one under the kitchen sink. It decluttered. We got rid of tons of cleaners. It's fabulous. Okay, you're also going to get Thieves foaming soap. This is awesome, okay? Put it in your bathrooms, in your kitchen. Definitely put it in the bathroom. That is the first one when you come in from outdoors so that people, wash their hands when they come in from being out. It is fabulous. Now, a couple of quick hacks. There is refiller for this, okay? So save your bottles. You can buy a refill, which is less expensive. You can also use this. The label comes off. You can cut it off and you can use it for your Thieves dish soap, which I recommend in your next order. Get your Thieves dish soap and your laundry soap as well. And what I do is I just put a squirt of the dish soap in here, add water, and I use that for, quick washings that and I'm going to do a glass here or a cup there. This is really handy. You're also going to get Thieves spray. This is awesome for travel. I go nowhere without it. It is actually in my purse. So I use it for bathrooms that might be a little bit shady. I use it in the airplane. So I'll spray my tray. They've done studies where the trays are disgusting. So I spray my tray. And also this is a hack I got from someone on the team, Abby. She sprays, and I've traveled with her. She does this. It's really yummy. She sprays the air vent as it's blowing air down, so it kind of disperses it. It's really nice. Then you're going to get some waterless hand purifier. You're going to get a couple of these. Amazing. All right. This one is great to keep everywhere. We have one in the car. Each of the kids have them in their backpacks. I have one in my purse. There is a refill pump too that you can get, or if you happen to be somewhere where they've got hand sanitizer on the counter, get the waterless hand purifier pump for that. You're also going to get a little bit of the oral care, and you're going to love this. This is definitely a great step into cleaning up your home. Toothpaste is actually known for a lot of toxins, and it's in your mouth. My favorite is when toothpaste says, "Do not swallow." Like, how can we not swallow at least a little? It's in our mouth. This is toxin-free, the Thieves Aroma Right, and I'll give you a quick hack. We also use it for deodorant, for real deodorant. And I will tell you, we have a teenage son, and he's in his stinky years, and he uses this for deodorant. And he used it one day, and he went to mow the yard, and he came back in, and he goes, "Minty fresh." So if it works for him, it's going to work for anyone. It's also fluoride free, so really good stuff. You're going to get the mouthwash. Mouthwash is amazing. Gargle with this on a daily basis, and your immune system will rock your socks off. It's alcohol free, it's free of synthetic dyes, it's no artificial flavoring, it's got Thieves oil in it, obviously the blend, it's fabulous. Mouthwash is another one of those things where they say do not swallow. Okay, you also get Thieves oil. You are going to love this. Now, if you don't have a diffuser, because if you got this kit, you didn't get your diffuser, this make a spray out of it to get it in your house. Make a roll-on on it, rub on soles of the feet of all your kiddos as they go to school, on you for sure. It is really, really amazing to support your body. Okay, now you also got a kit. So let's look over what you got in here. Isn't it beautiful? Now, it would have had your 10 oils if you got the oil kit, so that's why there's space there. You probably got the empty tray. I think they do that to tempt you. It certainly tempts me. Okay, now what you have in here is a whole bevy of goodies. You've got a sachet of some of the most popular Young Living oils. There's about 4 to 5 drops in each of these sachets. Great for travel. This is an opportunity for you to begin to experience the oils if you haven't. If you got this kit and you didn't get the oils, begin to play with these. Let us know if you need any help on how to use each of the oils. You're going to get a bottle of Stress Away. This is my favorite oil. Holy cow. I love this oil. Now, you also got a roller fitment. And I would put it on your Stress Away because rolling this on is heavenly. What you do is you just take the cover off very, very carefully because it's easy to spill at this point. You just set it on lightly. A lot of people try and push it on, but you spill your oil. Then you put the cover on, and the last little snap, it will come on. It'll be on, just like that. Now, just so you know, I had already removed the safety collar that came off, you know, because it was sealed. So you have to remove that in order to get the cover on all the way. Then to get it off, because you can refill this, you just go snap it off to the side. Bam, good to go. Yeah, replacement to Stress Away is a 15 ml bottle. This is a 5 ml, which is great for purses, pockets. You just keep this, save it, and refill it with a 15 ml so that you can easily still travel with it. I still have my very original Stress Away bottle. It's the one I carry in my purse. Little memorabilia. Okay, you're also going to get two 2-ounce packs of Ningxia Red. This is my happy juice, y'all. It's an antioxidant. It's amazing. It supports every system in the body. It's crazy amazing. Definitely chill it, test it out. You might feel a little bit of energy. The support is really more long-term, but you'll at least get an idea of what it tastes like. It's quite yummy. Then you're going to get these little sample bottles. Now, since you didn't get the oils, really what you're going to be sharing is Thieves. And there is a Thieves card. These are Love It, Share It cards. So if you love it, share it with another. And there is a Thieves one. There's the Thieves. And it has this little hole in the corner so that you can put a few drops of your Thieves oil into it, like so. Put the cover on and share it with a friend. And the card, it's super cool because the card actually has suggestions for how to use the oil inside. It's great. And you know, Young Living is a referral-based company. Don't keep it a secret. You really want to help others. At least I hope you do. And you want to help others feel better. And with these oils, they can. With these products, everyone needs to get toxins out of their home. And if you share and they get any of the starter kits, whether it's the Thieves or Ningxia Red or the oil starter kit, you get at least a $50 thank you check from Young Living. So it's kind of nice. Don't keep it a secret. Okay, I believe I've covered everything that comes in the kit. Let us know if you have any questions. Now, be sure you have joined our Sharing Essential Oils with Simply Serendipity Facebook group. It is our private oily clubhouse online, and we do lots of great education there. It's a great place to ask questions. It's fabulous. If you're ready to take the next step into the oils, let us know. Definitely get a reference guide. It will help you take those next steps. All right, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoy your oils and enjoy your Thieves, I guess. Enjoy your Thieves. Let us know if you have questions. Take care.